Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking to you about the new Peloton Bike Plus. I just took delivery of this bike and I've been using it for about a week now. First things first, the overall build quality of the bike is very solid. This is not a surprise since the previous bike was also very well built. The new bike shares a lot of similar build features such as the same steel frame. There's an upgraded display which is now larger at 23.8 inches versus the previous 21.5 inches on the now base model. While only slightly larger, I will say the screen is much sharper and better quality. There are still bezels present, but they are smaller and the speaker design helps the screen feel more immersive. Another new feature is the rotating screen, which now can move a full 360 degrees. This is probably one of the features that I'm most excited about. It absolutely makes a difference when you are doing a bike bootcamp class or just doing a non-bike class. With the ability to turn the screen, you can have a clear view of your workouts while you're off on the side. No need to stream to the TV or use the Peloton app like I used to previously. Another upgraded item is the speaker system. This is one of my biggest complaints on their previous bike. The old speakers were rear facing, so the sound was very hollow and didn't pack any punch. It felt like it was very far away from you. That has now been remedied with the speakers that now face you, and there's woofers in the rear. The result is a much better sound with good bass, which keeps you immersed in your ride. I no longer feel the need to pair my Bluetooth speakers I did before on the previous bike. A brand new feature to the bike is the automatic resistance auto follow feature. It basically automatically adjusts the resistance on the bike during a class based on the current recommended levels. You can have it auto adjust to stay in the low and the high range or anywhere in between. This is a feature I was not very excited about initially, but now with some hands-on time, I love it. I no longer have to waste time adjusting and readjusting the resistance knob during a class. My focus can stay on trying to keep up with the class. The resistance transitions are very smooth in my testing as well. There's a slight noise when the resistance is changing, but nothing too distracting. The Apple Watch is finally supported as well. With the integration of Gym Kit, you can now pair your Apple Watch to a ride prior to starting a class. You just tap or hold the watch close to the Peloton logo on the screen and wait for a prompt on your watch. It really couldn't be that much simpler. Once done, your heart rate will show up during a class, which is great, as before you had to wear external heart monitor. Aside from those major features, the rest of the features are aesthetic, such as a dark smoke-colored plastic for the front wheel and the belt tray system. The weight rack also has this as well. It does feel a little more flimsy than the previous wire design, but the new one keeps the whole design cohesive. The resistance knob and handlebars have received slight tweaks as well. They are both smaller now. I do prefer the wide handlebars on the previous bike, but not a deal breaker. There is also a new Peloton plated logo on the bike instead of an old adhesive one, which has a more premium feel. Overall, I am very pleased with the new Bike Plus and don't regret my decision to upgrade. The swivel screen, upgraded speaker system, Apple Watch integration, and auto resistance were enough new features for me to pull the trigger on an upgrade. I'd like to know what you think of the new Bike Plus as well as how you feel about the new features as well. Drop a comment below and let me know. Cheers guys, up and out.